everyone, and we are today playing Don't Press the Button. Oh god, oh no, I'm dead. Alright, sometimes it's kind of hard, sometimes it's not, so it's going to be a very good mixture today, because there's lots of mini games in this, so yeah. Let me just try this again. I'm dead already. Oh my god. That one's quite hard. And I might be playing number 3, 2 or 1 of this in an upcoming video. I might. I want to press the button. Yeah, I think I... Oh, wait a minute. What do I do in this? Oh, don't go there. Oh my god, I did that one before, but I forgot because I haven't done it in ages. Alright. And by the way guys, do you like my skin? Because it took like 1 second to make, but... Whoa, I didn't know rocks fell on it. That's kind of cool. Wait, I need Teddy Bear out. I've got Teddy Bear out. Yeah, he's actually kind of big. But I'm a bigger Teddy Bear. Whee! I'm best cake. Alright. Come on, I want this to end. Like, there's only one person remaining. Is it until they die or something? I think it is. Let's try and watch them. Oh, I see them. Oh, I pressed the button there. Anyway, oh, I didn't see that coming. Oh, but anyway, oh, get ready. Get ready for what? Oh, RPG. Oh my god, this is kind of harder because I'm on reloading. This is kind of harder because I'm on laptop and I'm normally playing on phone. You can't hide from me. Oh, they hid from me, but you can't hide from me. You can't hide forever. I'm gonna explode the house. Anybody in there? Not anymore? They're behind the sign. No. I'm just shooting there. Where are you? Hey, I'm not dead yet. That's actually kind of good. Oh, I saw someone. Over here. I'm running with it. Oh wait, they were just there. Oh my god. Hey, did I kill them? Why are they just standing still? I'm gonna shoot there. How are they not dying? Are you guys seeing this? Alright, I'm shooting them. Oh, did I get... Yeah, I got them! It's just... There's loads of other people left. What is happening? Is this guy gonna ever die? Can he not die or something? I'm not gonna... I don't know what happened there, but that guy's like... It's been weird. Deliver the pizza to the correct house. Oh, what house is it? At least I've got pizza though. 82! Where's 82? There's 81. Oh my god, there's so much. I found 82! Run! Run, best cake! Run. There it is. I did it, didn't I? Yeah, I did it! I won! That one was kind of easy. I won that. Woo! I hope people not finding theirs. I feel sorry for whoever has to do that house, maybe. Oh, wait! Ah! Help! Oh my god. Reach the other side. The other side of what? I'm dead already. Reach the other side. Alright, what do we do? Don't go in. I'm dead. Okay, guys, let's try and finish this. Right. Oh God! I pressed the jump and it didn't. Alright, well, I'm still alive. So, well, I died, but just find the button. What button? The button's not there. Whee! Why is it darkness? Total darkness. Where was it? Oh, they found the button. I wonder where it was. Don't get caught. From what? Run! I don't know what it is. Oh my God, it's Pace! Run! I didn't do anything, officer. I'm just an innocent teddy monster bear called Death Cake. Ah, he's there! Ah! Run! No! I got caught. Let me out of here. And I didn't have to wear a suit because I'm too fat for suits. That sounds so funny. This game does not like me. Don't fall in the lava. I've played this one before. Wait, no, the lava's there. Oh my God. Don't die. Don't get into the boxes. I've played this one before but died. Don't die. Run, 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 run! Ah! I'm just whacking into walls. Ah! Ah! Run, 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 run! Ah! Help, I became insane! I'm surviving, I'm surviving. Almost died. Ah! No! How am I not dead? How am I not dead? How am I not dead? I won! And that's the end of the video! Bye, guys! Bye-bye!